Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert, your go-to channel for everything about two-wheelers. Today we dive into the world of compact sport bikes and explore a motorcycle that has captivated riders worldwide, the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Whether you're a beginner looking to step into the sport bike segment, or a seasoned rider seeking a lightweight yet powerful machine, the Ninja 400 promises an exhilarating experience. Let's delve into what makes this bike a standout performer in its class. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 lies a 399cc parallel twin engine, which is liquid-cooled and paired with a 6-speed gearbox. This power plant churns out an impressive 49 horsepower at 1,000 RPM and 38 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM, delivering a smooth and thrilling ride. The lightweight chassis combined with this engine ensures a perfect balance of power and agility, making it ideal for city commutes, twisty roads, and even track days. What truly sets the Ninja 400 apart is its linear power delivery. Beginners will appreciate the forgiving nature of the engine, while experienced riders can tap into its high revving potential. Kawasaki has designed this bike to provide maximum fun without overwhelming the rider. Design and aesthetics. The Ninja 400 boasts an aggressive design inspired by its larger siblings such as the Ninja ZX-10R. Its sharp bodywork, sculpted fairings, and bold graphics exude a race-ready vibe. The dual LED headlights enhance visibility while adding to its sporty look. Available in various striking color schemes including the iconic Kawasaki green, the Ninja 400 turns heads wherever it goes. The compact design and aerodynamic shape make it not only visually appealing, but also functional for aerodynamic performance. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its sporty nature, the Ninja 400 offers a surprisingly comfortable ride. The 31-inch seat height is accessible for most riders, and the relaxed foot peg and handlebar positions ensure a comfortable posture during long rides. The seat is well padded, and the lightweight design of the bike, weighing just 168 kgs, makes it easy to handle even in tight spaces. The Ninja 400 also excels in terms of suspension. Its 40 telescopic front forks and preload adjustable rear shock absorb road imperfections effectively, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains.